Is your business looking to optimize productivity with seamless voice calling from within the Microsoft Teams application, but having challenges finding a simple, cost-effective solution? Or an ITSP or MSP looking to grow your business into Microsoft environments? Sangoma's Voice for Microsoft Teams is your solution. With Voice for Microsoft Teams, you'll have a seamless access into inbound and outbound phone calling capabilities directly from the Microsoft Teams interface. So there's never any hardware to install and configure, and zero maintenance. What's even better is we include SMS, E911 call alerts, and fax to email. We are the most cost-effective voice solution for Microsoft Teams. And as long as you're a customer for our VI communication services, you get Voice for MS Teams at no additional charge. No licenses or per-channel costs to worry about. It's simple. Just sign into your back office portal, set up a new Microsoft Teams trunk, purchase phone numbers to assign to your Microsoft Teams trunk, or even bring over your existing phone numbers. Then, check out our guide on how to configure your Microsoft Teams, and you're on your way. So what are you waiting for? Get the most flexible and cost-effective voice solution for Microsoft Teams today.